Welcome to CafeVista AI. At CafeVista AI, we're not just a company. We're a beacon of innovation in the world of artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where chatbots become your most trusted customer support, where AI seamlessly integrates into your business, where machine learning anticipates your every need. Our services are the building blocks of this visionary future. Chatbots that aren't just automated responses but genuine conversations. They understand, they engage, they empathize. AI integration that transforms businesses. It's not just a technology, it's a revolution. Your business operations reimagined. Machine learning that predicts the unpredictable. It's not just data, it's the future in numbers. Business automation that's seamless, efficient, and liberating. It's more than just productivity. It's freedom from the everyday. Embedded projects that push boundaries. It's not just hardware, it's the DNA of innovation. Research and development that pioneers the next big thing. It's not just experiments, it's the spark of genius. API integration. Connect your systems to the power of AI in a seamless manner, unlocking new possibilities and optimizing business processes. AI website development. Creating intelligent, user-centric websites that adapt and evolve in response to the needs of your target audience. NLP services. Using natural language processing to extract insights from text and make data more human and actionable. However, CafeVista AI is more than just a service provider. We are a vibrant AI community where minds meet, ideas develop, and innovation thrives. Our development approach is a creative and expert collaboration. We work directly with you to understand your specific requirements, build personalized AI solutions, and bring them to life. Our agile methodology ensures that you are involved at every stage of the process, from concept to deployment. In terms of project execution, we adhere to industry best practices and use cutting-edge technologies. Quality is our trademark, and we go out of our way to exceed your expectations. Your success is our success. What is our vision? To be the epicenter of AI innovation, a launching pad for tomorrow's AI pioneers. We are more than just AI solution providers. We are advancement architects and builders of tomorrow. Are you ready to begin your AI journey? Explore our website right now. CafeVista AI, fuel your cravings for AI automation.